Hello and welcome to today's video, where we share tips and tricks for personal development and growth. Today, we are discussing the book, The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy, a New York Times best-selling author, and publisher of Success magazine. In this video, we will delve into the key takeaways from the book, and how the compound effect can transform your life. The compound effect defined. The compound effect is the principle of reaping huge rewards from a series of small, smart choices. These small choices, when compounded over time, lead to significant outcomes. In the book, Darren explains how everything we do, or don't do, affects our lives in some way, and the results can be either positive or negative. Therefore, we must be mindful of our daily habits and actions, as they can either work for us or against us. The power of choices. In this chapter, Darren highlights the power of choices and how they shape our destiny. He stresses that it's not the big choices that determine our success or failure, but rather the small daily choices that we make consistently. He urges us to take responsibility for our choices and to understand that even the smallest of choices have consequences. By making positive choices, we can create a positive compounding effect that will transform our lives over time. The formula for success. According to Darren, success is not a secret, but rather a formula. The formula for success is a combination of small habits and actions that are consistently applied over time. He emphasizes the importance of having a clear vision and purpose, setting specific goals, taking consistent action, and measuring progress. By following this formula, we can achieve success in any area of our lives. Momentum. Momentum is the force that drives the compound effect. In this chapter, Darren explains how momentum works, and how it can either work for us or against us. He stresses the importance of starting small, and taking consistent action, as this will build momentum and lead to significant results over time. He also highlights the importance of staying committed and disciplined, even when the going gets tough. Influences. In this chapter, Darren discusses the impact of our environment and the people we surround ourselves with on our lives. He explains how our influences can either lift us up or bring us down, and urges us to be mindful of the people we spend time with. He also emphasizes the importance of being a positive influence on others, as this can have a compounding effect on our own lives. In conclusion, The Compound Effect is a powerful book that teaches us the importance of small habits and actions, and how they can lead to significant outcomes over time. By following the principles outlined in the book, we can transform our lives and achieve success in any area. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.